Hey, what's up everyone? This is how to do a, I guess it's called like a door stop for like the ones that go on the hinges of the door. Here's one I got, Everbuilt light duty hinge pin door stop. So they're about a few bucks each. They're really easy to install. Basically, you just take the pin out the top, and while someone holds the door, you hold the door, and then you put this over the hole and slide the pin back down, and then you can adjust this to however long you need it to stop the door nicely. So you just take a flathead and pop these pins out. So this will come out, but then when it comes out, it's gonna want to move on you, so just be careful. All right, and then once it's out, you'd put the stop right here, and then put this pin through the stop. There's a hole on the stop. It's that hole right there. So that would go like that, and then the pin would go back through like that. And then you put this down, and then you adjust this to how you want it, and it'll stop the door. They have different colors and sizes. Just something to note. I have a nice door I bought, like a fancy door, and one of these put a hole in it because it's kind of like a hollow door. My kids just slammed it too hard, so just be aware. If it's adjusted too much, it could put a hole in the door.